All right, folks, it's summertime, and I tell you what, sprinkler heads get stuck all the time. And the best thing to do is to give them a good cleanup and a lube. And I'll leave in the description there below with the link how to clean them and all that good stuff. But right now, I just want to show you a quick lube them, get them going again. Small or big, the big ones usually do that while they're running. They're running, you just run behind it and then lube it up as it's up. Now these you can lock in place, but you gotta be real careful not to damage the body here with a pair of locking pliers, okay? You can raise it up with a real thin screwdriver here, just get underneath the lip and bring it up. Now there's two products here I use. They're both synthetic, so they don't seem to affect the environment or the plastic on here. You don't wanna affect the plastic. These things get dry, folks, and if you wanna sit there and dig these all up and put a new one in, that's up to you. I mean, some people are just diehards and they want to go that route, but usually they're just dry or they're dirty inside. Remember, go to the description link below and watch that video on how to clean them. But for lubricating them, you can either use Super Lube O-ring, and it's 100% silicone, and it's great stuff. You just apply it around the body and then rub a little on your finger and then let it go. Let it go, let the clamp go, and down on the ground, it should be good to go. But if you have a stubborn one, and my neighbor had a stubborn one just recently, and boy, that thing just would not give in to the Super Lube O-ring. I had to move on to the heavy duty stuff here, which is Mobil 1. And what you'll do is you'll get a good scoop of that stuff there, and you will apply it all over the neck. Just like this. Just like you do the Super Lube O-ring there, but with the Mobil 1 synthetic, you're gonna get this thing super lubed up. Now it's gonna affect the grass a little around it. It's gonna get a little yellow, but it's not really gonna hurt the environment or the doggone sprinkler itself. It's not gonna expand the plastic or anything. It's not gonna hurt it because it's synthetic. It's 100% synthetic. It's not going to hurt anything, okay? And then you just release the clamp and down she goes, and it'll work like a champ. I tell you what, if you have to put in your arsenal one of these two here, they're both expensive, but it's cheaper than replacing the unit, is this one right here. But it does leave an ugly mess. As you can see, the red and stuff, but if you can get away with the Super Lube O-ring, which I have both, and you could spend for both, and I'll leave a link how to find those on Amazon. And these are really good products. This one's just messy, really works like a champ, and this one's very clean and works very well when you just rebuild them, clean them out, and put them back in. So it depends what you want to do. If you want to replace or clean it up and get it back to work, because some of these things are not cheap, especially if they're specialized ones. Okay, well, don't forget the link below for the video on how to clean them, but this is how you loop them up. Have a wonderful day. Good luck and God bless.